Welcome to my channel, 3 Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany, and today I'm going to be completing a kitchen island makeover. I am so excited to get this project completed, so let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, I'm putting down drop cloth to protect the floor. I'm removing the outlet covers and applying frog tape along the trim of the island. This will help make sure that I get a nice clean edge when applying my paint. Not pictured in this video, I already gave the walls a nice scrub down using some Dawn and some warm soapy water. Now that I've finished placing the frog tape along the trim and the baseboards, it's time to get to the fun part. Painting! The color I'm using today is Slate Tile by Sherwin-Williams. This is the same color I used to paint my fireplace, so if you haven't seen that video already, go check it out. I'm going to start by cutting in along the trim and baseboards. I started this process using a paintbrush, but then switched to an edger. The edger was much easier and smoother to use. As you can see, I did not paint along the edges of the other side of the island. I found it easier to just focus on one section at a time. Now that I'm finished painting the edges along this section, I'm using a roller brush to fill in the rest of the area. Alright, so moving on to this next section of the island, I'm going to use the same technique where I go ahead and use the edger to go along the trim of the island, and then I'll go back in and fill in the middle area with a roller brush. Alright, so I've got the first coat applied and I already love how it looks. But now we've got to get this second coat done, so I'm going to repeat the same process to apply the second coat. Alright, so I am finished painting, so now I'm just going to go ahead and remove this frog tape while the paint is still a little bit wet, and I am ready to see the finished look.